gonna pull out some potatoes today. And actually it started yesterday. Continue again. And then let's go to zucchini. This one is beets. Oh, it's so good, so well. So yeah. And this is the carrots. Doing good too. So 1, and then 2, and this is the biggest one, 3. Broccoli to harvest. See, I need to harvest that. I don't know if they are doing well in cold, but I want to make sure they are harvest. And here is my partner. How's your coffee, mister?
Sarap.
Cheers. Yes. Papi. And here is the other one. Chicken is helping.
I guess.
Yeah, so get your gloves. So we're going to
So
start.
she wants me to
shortly.
work now. Yeah. If I don't work, she's going to be videoing me. So I'm just going to work and then she'll turn the video off.